10 beauty tricks you've been doing all wrong. Makeup can be a time-consuming, sometimes frustrating life hack, but when done right, it can work wonders, not just for your looks. It affects your overall happiness and your confidence. Here are 10 beauty tricks you've been doing all wrong. I can't believe I only found out about number 5 today. So let's get to it. But first, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Number 10, purchasing the right makeup shade. Have you ever bought a certain shade of foundation or concealer that made your face look darker than the rest of your body? You've probably been testing these products on your forearms or your palm for their shade. The problem is the forearm and the palm are usually not the same color as your face. Try testing the product on your neck instead. The shade that blends to the skin tone of your neck is the right tone for your face. Number 9, applying concealer the right way. Concealer is typically used to smooth the appearance of the skin under the eye area and to brighten up the darkness, which can make you appear tired or aged. But the secret to achieving brighter, healthier looking skin under your eye is the way in which you apply the concealer. Instead of applying it directly on top of the dark circles under your eye, draw an inverted triangle shape instead. Blend this inverted triangle with your fingers slowly in one direction to avoid caking. Another effective way is to just add a dash of red lipstick or lip gloss to the concealer. It may sound weird to blend red lipstick to your concealer, but it works to even out the skin tone. Number 8, removing your eye makeup. Remember that one film that made you cry so hard that your mascara started running, and before you knew it, you already had raccoon eyes, making your eyes look extra tired for hours? Or maybe you went to bed thinking you completely removed your eye makeup, only to wake up with black rings under your eyes. Well, using lip balm or even Vaseline instead of soap and water can clean up this mishap within seconds. Number 7, perfect and symmetrical eye makeup. Eye makeup may be one of the trickiest parts of your routine to pull off. You need to make sure the left eye matches the right eye. Pull off the perfect and symmetrical smoky eye look by using Scotch tape or any kind of tape to mold a stencil around your eye area. But remember, do not take the tape off until you finish blending and finish the whole entire look. Number 6, DIY brush stand. Never lose a makeup brush again. Create a stand that holds all of your brushes where you can see them. All you need is a glass and some coffee beans. Easily grab the brush you need and save loads of time. Number 5, the proper way to apply hairspray. Even we can't believe that we only learned about this one today. But the most secure way to apply hairspray or hair serum is to actually apply it with a toothbrush in a repetitive backward stroking motion, just how you would do it with a regular hairbrush. This especially works if you are wearing your hair slicked back into a neat ponytail. It helps reduce the appearance of flyaways. Number 4, an effective remedy for chapped lips. Is the cold weather making your lips chapped or irritated? You can find the solution in your own kitchen pantry. Yep, it's been right in front of you this whole time. Just mix honey, olive oil, and sugar in a bowl and apply some to your lips. This will restore their natural state. Number 3, coconut oil. Coconut oil in itself is already a beauty trick. Here are some ways that you can use it. Apply coconut oil to hair and leave it on for 3 to 5 hours. Rinse it. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a week for stronger and shinier hair. Swipe coconut oil over your face before rinsing with water as a makeup remover. Or mix with sugar and lemon juice as a home remedy for stretch marks and scarring. Number 2, brows on fleek. Your brow shape may be on fleek, but does the color of your brows actually match your real eyebrow hair? Dark eyebrow fillers tend to make women look older than they really are. The actual trick to getting your eyebrows looking natural and in a great shape is to try a shade or 2 lighter than your actual eyebrow color. And now, we are on the last beauty trick you've been doing all wrong. I still can't believe I didn't think about this one sooner. Number 1, the best makeup removing hack ever invented. First, empty a highlighter pen of its ink by placing its inner tube into some water. Leave it until it dries out and submerge the inner tube in makeup remover. Use it as a clean and easy-to-use eraser pen for your face. What other beauty tricks or hacks do you have? Let us know in the comments. Click the link to subscribe to our channel.